You love Bantu knots, but you're concerned about how you can sleep with Bantu knots, then this particular size is ideal for you because this one you're not going to feel like you're wearing Bantu knots, unlike the bigger sizes. So first of all, the way you're going to start this Bantu knot, you have to section out your hair. You can decide to start sectioning and braiding at the same time, or you section out everything so that you're going to get the exact design of the root you want. So after which you start braiding. So you're either going to go for the twisting method or the normal braid method. So just braid from the root, after which you start rolling. So you roll this and roll this and roll this. You're going to roll from the top to the bottom. Please, you don't start from the bottom to top, top bottom. So you're going to start from the top to start rolling, then you get to the bottom, and that is where you're going to knot this. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gift Uchechi, and on this channel we do everything hair and makeup. So if you're looking for good hairstyles or how you can do your own hair yourself, this is the right place to be. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, share to your friends and family, and comment. Let me hear your thoughts about this video. So this is the final look of this hairstyle. One thing about going for this size is that it is very easy for you to sleep with. You're not going to be disturbed, and also it doesn't take much of your extension, unlike the bigger size. This is simple and really classy. What do you think about this hairstyle? Let me hear your thoughts. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.